दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल रोहिणी द्वारा आयोजित कलाइडोस्कोप कार्यक्रम में रचनात्मकता, मानसिक स्वास्थ्य और युवाओं की सोच का शानदार संगम देखने को मिला। कार्यक्रम का प्रारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ हुआ, जिसमें मधुर मंत्रों ने सबका मन मुग्ध कर दिया। इस कार्यक्रम में ऑनलाइन और ऑनसाइट दोनों तरह की गतिविधियों ने छात्रों को एक नई शिक्षा का अनुभव दिया। कार्यक्रम में मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में भारत और भूटान के संयुक्त राज्य सूचना के केंद्र के निदेशक डैरिन फेरेंट ने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। साथ ही दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रधानाचार्य कनका सचदेवा गोवी ने कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ किया और छात्रों को उत्साहवर्धन किया। ऑनलाइन सेगमेंट में वॉइस इन फ्रेम और लेट्स टॉक जैसे कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए गए, जहां प्रतिभागियों ने अपनी कला और अभिव्यक्ति से सभी को प्रभावित किया। वहीं परिसर में पेंट योर वाइब, स्टेज स्पार्क, माइंड ऑफ स्क्रीन, एक्सपेंसिव साइलेंस और जागृत रहे जैसे कार्यक्रम आकर्षण का केंद्र बने।
So today we had hosted Kaleidoscope, which was an umbrella term for mental health activities. So there were several competitions where 15 to 16 schools participated, online and offline competitions, all revolving around various aspects of mental well-being. This is an idea, this is a thought, which is so important in today's day and time, given the kind of news that we get every single day. Young people jumping off their, balconies. There are people who are literally slice people mercilessly. So, obviously these are expressions of frustrations, anxieties, competition, envy, but then where does this stop? So we are only talking about the war outside. It's time we start talking about the war inside. And it is with this thought that this concept came up. And we had a very special segment called Catharsis, the Healing Together, where we had 2 panel discussions and 2 sessions on cybersecurity, digital detox, adolescent well-being, and finally, not to leave the special needs children out, we had a talk on what after us. Something that bothers all parents with special needs children and maybe single parents. So they are all concerns that rank our minds as adults. So these were some of the questions that we tried to find answers to. There are no definite answers. And as far as an educationist, I think it is so important that we talk about these matters, because when the child comes to school, the school bag does not contain merely books. It contains different other baggages. It contains empty tiffin boxes. It contains anxiety. It contains fear. It contains embarrassment. It contains expectations from parents. And it is high time we started asking what's in the bag instead of saying what's wrong with the child.
कार्यक्रम का सबसे खास सत्र रहा कैथारसिस अ हीलिंग टुगेदर, जहां चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट प्रियंका हलवासिया ने डिजिटल डिटॉक्स और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के महत्व पर अपने विचार साझा किए। इसके अलावा एडोलेसेंस वेलबींग विषय पर आयोजित पैनल डिस्कशन में रवनीत कौर, मालिनी सिंह और प्रीति राजन ने युवाओं की मानसिक और भावनात्मक सेहत पर चर्चा की। वहीं व्हाट आफ्टर अस विषय पर आयोजित दूसरे पैनल डिस्कशन में नीना वोंग, विभा कुकरेजा और सोनल खरबंदा मौजूद रहे। अंत में साइन लैंग्वेज में राष्ट्रगान गाया गया। कलाइडोस्कोप सिर्फ एक कार्यक्रम नहीं, बल्कि युवाओं को डिजिटल दुनिया से बाहर निकालकर खुद से जुड़ने और अपनी प्रतिभा को पहचानने का एक प्रेरणादायक मंच प्रदान कर रहा है। कार्यक्रम के अंत में विजेताओं को पुरस्कृत किया गया।
Today I took part in Kaleidoscope, a very interesting initiative here among the schools of the area that's focused on adolescent health and well-being, mental health in particular. And I saw some really interesting panel discussions, theatre performances, music, all different ways of coming at the same issue of talking about how we can improve the mental health of our young people. Well, as I said in my remarks, this is such an important topic, and it's a credit to the students and the whole school community, the teachers, the educators, the parents as well, that they take this topic so seriously. because historically there's been an awful lot of stigma and taboo around discussing mental health and well-being. So they made the first, but very most important step, which is to talk openly, honestly, and in a vulnerable way about the issue. So they're well on the way on the right path, and they have to continue down that path of talking to each other, of connecting with each other, because we all have this same issue in common of mental health and well-being, and we can learn from each other as we go forward.
When I got a call from Mamta ma'am that we need to come to judge an event for Kaleidoscope, I was beyond grateful. And I would also like to thank Kanika ma'am to give us such an opportunity. It's a really nice opportunity to give to students, and it was a very nice thing to come here.
And today I was called back to my alma mater as a judge, and it was the most wonderful experience walking in these red walls again. The students were absolutely brilliant, and of course the initiative that is taken by Kanika ma'am and the representation of mental health throughout the event was just absolutely fabulous, and it was a wonderful opportunity to come back, and so happy to be here. I was here to judge Kaleidoscope today. I've joined Salesforce now as a technical writer analyst, and when I got the call from Mamta ma'am that she needed me to be a judge, it was mind-blowing because I used to be on the other side of the competitions, and now I was here to, judge the students. It was a lovely experience, and it's always good to be back with my teachers.
So with Principal Ma'am's vision, Ms. Kanika Sachdeva Govi's vision related to mental health, we had our annual signature event Kaleidoscope, wherein we had 5 offline events and 2 online events. Very interesting events on mental health related to mental health concerns. So we covered cartoon strip making on bullying awareness. That was the online event. Then we covered a documentary on psychological impact of war, the cost of war. So that was in documentary as an online event. Then we covered 5 offline events also, which included a role play that was also on mental health, in fact, on screen time particularly. And thereafter, we covered psychological games. We covered interpretation of psychological movies. We also covered mime event. We also covered an area which is to do with t-shirt painting. That's also a concern with mental health. So, in fact, those were the series of inter-school events where schools participated. 15 schools all across Delhi participated. And thereafter, we had another visionary aspect that NAM had decided, which was to do with catharsis, which is a healing together. So we had, under that, we have 2 series of talks, inspirational talk, awareness-based talk, one on digital detox, the other, so that is by clinical psychologist. Thereafter, we had a cybersecurity session. So that is also for awareness. And along with that, we have 2 panel discussion. The first panel discussion is basically where we are introducing, what after us. What after us is where to empower the children, where they become independent, different needs are being catered to, they become independent and they handle the future in a better empowered way. And we're also talking about one panel discussion where adolescent mental health is being covered. So there, again, we have a wonderful set of panelists, including a clinical psychologist who kind of covered all the areas associated with mental health, particularly for adolescents.